Are you frustrated with grills that cook unevenly or flare up at the worst moments? We get it. The right grill can be the difference between a backyard feast and a total flop. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 outdoor grills that can completely level up your cooking. Check the links in the description for more details. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, the Kamado Joe Classic Charcoal Grill brings that old-school ceramic cooking magic into the modern backyard. What really sets this grill apart is the divide-and-conquer flexible cooking system. It uses half-moon grates at different heights, which means you can sear steaks at high heat while cooking veggies at a lower temperature. Talk about multitasking! When it comes to temperature control, this grill shines. The control tower top vent offers precise airflow management, giving you total control over your cooking temperatures. Whether you're smoking at a slow 225 Fahrenheit or searing steaks at a sizzling 750 Fahrenheit, you've got the flexibility to cook anything to perfection. Cleanup is also a breeze, thanks to the patented ash drawer, which allows you to quickly dump the ashes without having to dismantle the entire grill. As for the build quality, the Kamado Joe is robust, on par with the Big Green Egg, but at a more affordable price. Its stainless steel cooking grates are durable and corrosion resistant, and the built-in thermometer ensures you're always on top of your cooking game. Of course, no product is perfect. The Kamado Joe is heavy, weighing in at over 250 pounds, so it can be a challenge to move around. The ceramic body also requires special care, as it can crack if not handled properly during drastic temperature changes. Plus, the price point is on the higher end, making it more of an investment than a casual purchase. At number 4, we've got the Blackstone 36-inch Omnivore Griddle. And let me tell you, this is a whole new way of cooking. With a huge 768 square inch cooking surface, you can cook up to 47 eggs or 30 burgers at once. Perfect for those backyard gatherings where you want to feed a crowd without breaking a sweat. One thing I absolutely love about this griddle is its Omnivore griddle plate technology. With built-in wind guards, the heat is distributed evenly across the surface, which means you won't have to worry about hot spots. Plus, the 4 independently controlled burners let you create different temperature zones. Talk about flexibility. This griddle's flat-top design opens up a whole new world of cooking possibilities. You can whip up pancakes, hash browns, stir-fry, and even smash burgers, all with that restaurant-quality finish. Cleanup's pretty straightforward too, thanks to the grease management system. Now, while the versatility is awesome, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. You won't get those classic grill marks or that smoky flavor you get from a traditional grill. And because of its large footprint, you'll need some serious patio space. Plus, the steel surface needs some proper seasoning and maintenance to avoid rusting, and you'll want to clean it after each use. While it's still warm, of course, which might not be everyone's favorite chore. Coming in at number 3, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Propane Grill. If you're looking for the perfect balance of convenience and cooking power, this one's got you covered. With 20,000 BTUs across its 285 square inch cooking area, it's impressive for its size. You're going to love how much you can cook on it. What really sets this grill apart is its portability. With quick fold legs and wheels, it's a breeze to transport. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just cooking on a small patio, this grill is a game changer when you need something easy to move. Plus, the 3 adjustable burners offer better control, allowing you to create different heat zones for various foods. It's all about precision. The built-in thermometer makes monitoring your cooking temp simple, and with the push-button ignition, you can forget about fumbling with matches. Just press and go. It runs on standard 16.4 aughts propane cylinders, which are sold separately. Now, while it heats up quickly and distributes heat pretty well for its price, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The build quality isn't as sturdy as higher-end models. Some plastic components might wear over time, and wind can mess with performance due to the lack of shielding. Also, cleaning can be a bit of a hassle with several parts to remove. Have you tried the Coleman RoadTrip 285 yet? Let me know in the comments. Would love to hear about your experience or any questions you might have about this grill. At number 2, we've got the Weber Genesis E325S gas grill, a serious powerhouse for any grill enthusiast. This grill is packed with premium features, but let's start with the standout, the extra-large sear zone. Imagine getting those perfect restaurant-quality grill marks on multiple steaks at once. Now, that's impressive, but it doesn't stop there. The expandable top cooking grate is a game changer, creating a second level of grilling space so you can keep your food warm or cook at different intensities. And if you're looking to take your grilling to the next level, the Weber crafted accessories are compatible with this model, though, just a heads up, the frame and grillware are sold separately. For prep, this grill has you covered. The extra-large prep and serve table gives you tons of space, and the improved pull-out grease tray makes cleanup way easier. You're going to appreciate the quality construction too. People consistently rave about how simple the assembly is and how solid the build feels. The grill heats evenly and holds the temperature really well, but just keep in mind, it does use more gas than some other options. And while it's definitely a higher-end model, it's priced accordingly, so you'll be making an investment. Some users have noted that the plastic components could be more durable, especially compared to the metal parts. The Weber crafted accessories are great, but you'll need to buy a few extras to make the most of them. Our number one best outdoor grill is the Weber Spirit 2 E310 propane grill. Trust me, this one is a winner. It perfectly balances quality, performance, and value for most homeowners. What makes it stand out? The GS4 grilling system. It includes an improved infinity ignition that works reliably every single time, high-quality burners, and porcelain enameled flavorizer bars that help reduce those annoying flare-ups. The porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates are a game changer. They not only provide amazing heat retention and distribution, but also make cleanup a whole lot easier. Plus, with 529 square inches of cooking space across 3 burners, you've got plenty of room for a family meal, but without dealing with an oversized grill that takes up your whole yard. With 30,000 BTUs per hour, this grill heats up quickly and reaches high temperatures when you need it. And the built-in fuel gauge? A huge bonus. No more frustration from running out of propane in the middle of cooking. The open cart design has 6 convenient tool hooks, and those 2 large wheels make moving it around a total breeze. The ceramic coating is built to last, keeping the grill looking great and working perfectly over time. And the even heat distribution? It's spot on, unlike cheaper grills that often have those annoying cold spots. Assembly, it's straightforward with clear instructions. You'll have it up and running in about an hour. But no product is perfect, right? A couple of things to keep in mind. The Weber Spirit 2 doesn't have a side burner, which some people miss for warming up sauces or sides. The propane tank can be a little tricky to install at first, and in windy conditions, you may need to adjust the temperature. If you're hosting a big party, you might want a bit more cooking space. And now I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, which grill are you most excited to fire up this season? Don't forget to check the description for links to each model, and make sure to like and subscribe for more grilling tips and reviews.